Hi, this is Sam Jackson with Heartland Turf and Landscape, and I wanted to drop a little tip on everybody out there with regards to whether or not to bag your grass clippings when you mow your lawn. So we actually do not bag our clippings unless by special request. We do what's called mulch mowing or recycling mowing, where the grass clippings are just simply returned to the lawn to naturally decompose, which like several studies have shown can actually supply up to 40% of the lawn's nitrogen requirements for an entire year if you're just simply returning the grass clippings to the lawn, letting them decompose. And it's also introducing more organic material to your lawn. There's a misconception, it started years and years ago, that if you didn't bag up your grass clippings, then you would get thatch in your lawn. Thatch is not actually grass clippings. Thatch is actually composed of the root system of the grass that sometimes can get too dense and too thick and matted, and that often happens for various reasons, like not mowing often enough or mowing at the incorrect height. But just returning the grass clippings to the lawn to decompose does not actually create thatch. It's actually super beneficial for your lawn. So that's my tip for today. If you're tired of having to bag up the grass, just stop bagging it, and you're actually going to be doing your lawn a huge favor. All right, take care.